Your body can't tell the difference between criticism and being attacked. So every harsh thought sends the same stress signal through your body as a real threat. That's why self-compassion isn't just a mindset, it's a physiological state. Research shows that self-compassion lowers cortisol, boosts resilience, and even strengthens your immune system. So you don't have to think positive. You actually need to feel safe enough to be kind to yourself. In today's meditation, we'll use the breath, somatic awareness, and gentle internal dialogue to create that sense of safety. So you can reconnect with that part of yourself that already knows that you're enough. Before we begin, if you want more somatic tools to help you reset your nervous system, use my free starter kit. I'll have that linked in the description. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you continue to receive the new practices that I'm sharing every week here. And let me know in the comments, what's one area of your life where it's hardest for you to show your self-compassion? And let's begin to soften and release that through this meditation. Let's get started. Come into a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down onto your back. And let your hands rest where they can relax easily. And begin by taking a slow breath in through your nose and sighing it out through your mouth. And doing that once again, taking a slow breath in through the nose and sighing it out through your mouth. And feel the weight of your body drop into the support beneath you. Letting your muscles relax into the support of gravity. Letting your digestive system relax. Feeling how much you can hand yourself over to the support of the earth. And let the back of your heart begin to soften. And feeling the tissues around your heart, through your chest, around your ribs, through your upper back, all softening. And noticing the rise and fall of your breath without any need to change it. And with each exhale, let your body know, I'm safe enough to soften. Feeling yourself soften increasingly on your exhales. And bring your attention to the space around your heart and your chest. And notice any sensations, any warmth, tension, tingling, maybe numbness. perhaps feeling your heart beating. And shift your awareness now to the belly. The home of the spleen, the earth element, where self-worth and nourishment take root. And can you soften your breath into this area? Giving your body permission to receive the breath. Now let your awareness move up the sides of your ribs. The pathway of the liver meridian that holds onto frustration, comparison, and judgment. And let your breath move into this space. Letting the breath expand gently into this space. And if you don't feel that expansion, you can imagine that expansion, creating the space for movement, for flow, for forgiveness. Now bring to mind a moment recently when you felt like you weren't enough. And notice where that feeling lives in your body. You can place a hand onto that part of your body where you feel into the sensation of not enough. And you can begin to repeat to yourself, I see that you're doing the best you can. It's okay to rest. You don't have to earn your worth. Notice how your body responds to these words. I see that you're doing your best. It's okay to rest. You don't have to earn your worth. Maybe a deep breath wants to come up, maybe a softening, maybe there's resistance. All of it is okay. And if there's resistance speaking up in you, you might say, I know you're trying to protect me. Thank you for helping me to survive. We don't have to fight anymore. Let the breath move through your body. as if your compassion is slowly dissolving old layers of self-defense. Now bring both hands to your heart. Feel your heartbeat under your hands. And really this proof that life keeps showing up for you, moment by moment. And let this simple phrase settle into your system. Even when I forget, I am enough. Even when I fall back into old patterns, I am still enough. Now you can take one last deep breath in through the nose and release out through the mouth. Let your exhale carry away the need to prove or to compare. If this practice helped you reconnect to a sense of being enough innately in who you are, just for existing, I'd love for you to share your experience in the comments. What shifted for you when you offered yourself compassion instead of judgment? And don't forget to subscribe for more somatic and yin-based meditations, and download your free Reset Your Nervous System Starter Kit that I have linked in the description. It's a beautiful way to keep deepening your self-compassion practice between videos. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you in the next video.